Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to plan a trip on Skyscanner. I wonder why you want to know how to plan a trip on Skyscanner. Maybe because you're planning to go on a vacation, or maybe you're having some holidays so you want to spend them well by visiting some other places. Or maybe you just have heard a lot about the Skyscanner app so you want to give it a try by planning a trip on it, or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave that instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have installed it, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top you have the icon for the app, and there we have different options almost all over the screen. At the bottom we have three options. Right now we're into the home section, therefore we could see all these different options. Other than the home, we have two options, which are trips and profile. Once you click on trips, with the help of that option you could easily plan out your trips. So here we have this option which says start planning trips. So once you click on it, you will see three options. The first option is flights. With the help of this option, you can book flights, or maybe you can go and see how flights work on this app. And the second option is for hotels, where you could go and find different hotels where you could stay if you're going to visit in a city or maybe in a country. But with the help of third option, which is trip, you can create your own trip in which you can add different places that you want to visit. Let's say you're going on a vacation in London, so you will go to London and visit different places. So but before, if you don't know like the places in London, so you will explore different places and add all these different places into your trip list. And once you go to London, you will be easily able to visit those places because you have added in your trip list and you will remember these. So therefore you have to click on this option trip, and once you tap on it, it will ask you to name your trip. Like if you're going on a vacation, then type vacation. If you're going in UK, then type UK. If you're going to USA, then type USA. Like you're creating a list in which you will add different places that you will visit. Once you have created, now it's time to click on plus, and now you can book flights and can look for different hotels, and then you can also book those hotels. And once you go to that place with the help of the flight that you have booked from here, and then you will stay at the hotels that you have booked from this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can plan a trip on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.